Doctors have the ability to choose how they produce and deliver aligners, giving them the option to print 3D models in practice, have printed models shipped to them, or order aligners directly from us. The clinician has all of these options whether they choose a full service or DIY aligner package. With in-office aligner fabrication, times may vary depending on equipment and materials used, as well as number of stages. With DIY aligner staging, the doctor can also manipulate the model themselves with computer-assisted, state-of-the-art, real-time staging, allowing the clinician to make adjustments to the model themselves. Industry average is about 25 aligners per hour using your own thermoforming machine and industry-leading Essex plastic. To export staged models for in-office fabrication, pull up the patient and navigate to Staged Models. Click the Order tab and then Approve and Export STL files. Select the stages you would like to export and click OK. Return to the Practice Overview page and navigate to the Jobs tab to locate exported files. Once the export state shows Succeeded, click the download link to save the zip file to your computer. Upload files to your 3D printing software, prepare the machine, and print. Note: tray design, number of arches, and printing time will vary based on equipment and materials used. After models have been printed, complete post-processing according to 3D printer manufacturer specifications. Note: for plastics with protective coating, remove the film prior to thermoforming. To print aligners, lift the tension ring and place a sheet of Essex plastic on the plate reception. Reseat the tension ring, securing the round pegs at the base. Make sure the sheet is centered on the plate. Place the arch model on the base of the machine. Rotate the tension ring over the model and then the heating element, aligning it with the tension ring and seated model. Calibrate machine settings by scanning the barcode for type of plastic used, by using either the plastics guidebook or scanning directly off the product package. This automatically sets correct heating and cooling times. To activate the heating element, press the OK button. Once heated, you will hear a beep. Rotate the heating element away from the base of the Droofer mount with the lever. At the same time, press and hold the white button on the left side of the machine. When the pressure bar on the screen rises to level 2, release both lever and button to begin the cooling process. The chamber will then lift from the model. Rotate and remove the tension ring to remove the thermoform device and model. Note: pressure valves should be retightened before making the next aligner. Now that the appliance has been shaped around the 3D printed model, you are ready to trim and polish the aligner. First, using universal shears, remove excess plastic from around the model, cutting as close to the base as possible. Remove the 3D printed model from the plastic using a cast removing instrument. Starting at the back, leverage the model out of the plastic on both sides of the arch and then work forward to release it. For a clean, smooth trim line, remove extra material with 4-inch curved scissors. Along the posterior, trim closer to the occlusal edge of the most distal tooth for easy aligner removal. Note: pallet material can be removed prior to releasing the 3D printed model from the plastic. Once the aligner has been trimmed to the doctor's desired trim height, polish the aligner to remove all rough edges using a micromotor. Pro tip: while polishing, use light pressure to avoid removing too much material. Practices can bag and label aligners with patient information to store ahead of appointments. In the next step, we will walk through the aligner delivery appointment and bonding attachments.